Hello everyone. Today we will see how to remove title and freeze column and rows in NumberUp. First, open a blank number sheet. Uncheck table from table option in the right sidebar. Make freeze column and rows as zeros. If you want, you can increase the rows and the column size. Now save it as a template in the file menu. Name your template. Once it is done, open the preferences. Choose use template blank and select your saved template. Now restart the Numbers app. Hereafter, your new template will be opened in the Numbers app. Thank you for watching.